Here's my next video. Got an idea what it might be? Need a bottle of Tabasco, some Patton's Canadian yarn, or any type of yarn that's variegated. You make a bottom. You make a long rectangular piece, and you make a hat. Put the bottom on the Tabasco bottle or Worcestershire bottle. It has to be a 5-ounce bottle. Place this over the top, and then the hat. Bingo! Now you have a decorative accent to sit on your kitchen table, or you might say to hide your bottle of Tabasco. This is my next project I'll be working on. I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what it's going to be. I hope you enjoy it when I get it started, which should be shortly.